Great relationships and collaborations are essential to the total success of supply chain management.
And it goes without saying that the stakeholders are involved in corporate strategy.
Stakeholder engagement is a huge topic that includes gathering and sharing information, dealing with concerns and grievances from your stakeholders, measuring the impact and importance of different stakeholder groups, and communicating back and forth through various methods and more.
There are different types of strategic relationships in the supply chain, namely stakeholders, both external and internal, external stakeholders being customers, suppliers and other business collaborations, communities and social responsibility, governments and unions, and so forth.
And internal stakeholders include the likes of business owners, shareholders, the board of directors, management teams, and employees, of course.
Different stakeholders have different roles and importance to different organizations.
And depending on these roles and responsibilities, they can either be an asset or a threat.
Take employees, for example. They are important stakeholders who help the company to succeed through their work. But advocacy groups, who are also stakeholders, may cause disruption in the workplace from time to time.
However, no matter their role, all stakeholders count and are important.
Different stakeholders will have an influence on the following important areas: reliability and consistency, quality of products and services, cost and pricing decisions, potential, capability and attitude for innovation, control and effective use of strategic resources, and many more.
By putting relationships at the center of supply chain management, a business will create a more collaborative and effective energy. Supply collaboration is defined as two or more separate companies working together to plan and execute supply chain operations.
But who is involved in supply chain collaboration? Well, any two or more companies dependent on one another to supply goods or services to an end customer are able to collaborate.
Such as a manufacturer collaborating with a packaging supplier to add value to their client's marketing efforts.
There are 3 levels of collaboration. Level 1, transactional integration. Level 2, supply chain management information sharing. And Level 3, strategic collaboration.
The construction of a successful supply chain is made up of a complex range of links between customers, manufacturers, service providers and suppliers, as well as outside stakeholders. And great effort should be made to ensure that these relationships are respected to result in a successful and efficient business.